Attention all eye health warriors. Are you tired of living life through blurry lenses? Introducing SightCare, the ultimate eye health supplement that harnesses the power of nature to reverse poor eyesight and nourish your precious peepers. With a potent blend of 100% natural ingredients like lutein, N-acetyl, cysteine, bilberry fruit, vitamin C, zeaxanthin, niacin, eyebright, quercetin, and more, SightCare works wonders in synergy to revitalize your eye cells. But hold on, that's not all. Purchase SightCare from the link in the comments below, and you'll unlock exclusive bonuses from my side. It's time to see the world with crystal clarity, so hit that link and let's embark on this eye care journey together. Imagine a world where poor eyesight is a thing of the past. A world where you can restore your vision and maintain optimal eye health effortlessly. It may sound too good to be true, but SightCare, the groundbreaking eye health supplement, is here to shatter your disbelief. Harnessing the formidable potential of 100% natural ingredients, SightCare has cracked the code to reverse the relentless grip of poor eyesight. Prepare to be amazed as we reveal the awe-inspiring secrets behind this extraordinary formulation. Lutein, N-acetyl, cysteine, bilberry fruit, vitamin C, zeaxanthin, niacin, eyebright, quercetin, and other remarkable components unite harmoniously in SightCare's potent blend. Together, they embark on a mission to nourish and revitalize your precious eye cells like never before. Aging is notorious for robbing us of our vision, leaving us vulnerable to the dreaded age-related macular degeneration. But fear not. SightCare comes to the rescue, armed with a formidable arsenal of essential nutrients and powerful antioxidants. Brace yourself for a revitalization of your eye health and a newfound clarity in your night vision. But that's not all. SightCare is an unstoppable force against the sinister effects of harmful sun rays. With its rich anti-inflammatory properties, it fearlessly combats any damage inflicted upon your eyes by those relentless UV rays. Say goodbye to squinting and discomfort and prepare to embrace a world bathed in the soothing glow of clarity. In a world saturated with dubious dietary supplements, SightCare stands tall as a paragon of trustworthiness and quality. Its revolutionary formula boasts a gluten-free, soy-free, and dairy-free composition, sparing you from the clutches of unwanted allergens. Rest easy, knowing that harmful GMOs and artificial preservatives have been banished from this life-changing elixir. Each bottle of SightCare contains 60 vegetarian capsules, a testament to its dedication to catering to all walks of life. Whether you're a passionate advocate for animal welfare or simply seeking a dietary supplement aligned with your lifestyle, SightCare has your back. Don't just take our word for it, the online community is buzzing with an overwhelming chorus of satisfied customers. Witness the genuine, unadulterated joy of those who have experienced the remarkable transformation that SightCare delivers. Their testimonials serve as a resounding affirmation of its astonishing efficacy. Embrace this shocking revelation and bask in the brilliance of a world seen through the lens of restored vision. The power to transform your eye health is within your grasp, seize it with SightCare.